Hey guys, welcome. It's Olivia Tatara. I'm here, the author of Love Haiku, and I'm going to share some inspiration with you today on this podcast episode. So I'm going to read the dedication to the book Love Haiku, Photo Haiku to Open Your Heart and Soul. I dedicate this book to the highest part of myself, my true teacher. With your guidance and strength, I have discovered this wonderful love for poetry, especially haiku, and the beauty and magic in loving myself. You showed me what true love is and lit my path with affection and comfort. This love is real and everyone can experience it. Wow, amazing. So I'm here and I'm going to share with you some inspiration from the book Love Haiku. It was my first book I ever published, and it changed my life to create basically my life and change my mindset and really take my own health into consideration and really get good and feel confident within myself. So I'm going to read a poem, and this is free for everyone who tunes into this podcast episode, but you can purchase Love Haiku on Amazon.com, and I do suggest you to purchase a hard copy book so you can look at the pictures and hold it. And then you can also write in it to manifest your own life, your own destiny, your own love. So here's one poem. It's the first poem. As the love begins, take a deep breath and feel you. You are now wholeness. As the love begins, take a deep breath and feel you. You are now wholeness. As the love begins, take a deep breath and feel you. You are now wholeness. That's just one poem from the book. And you hear in this episode a bunch of birds tweeting. Well, we have our birds here with us, and they do love poetry, and they love to sing. And that's what life is about: loving, being happy, singing, and expressing. Sing it, Yellow. So go and get your copy of Love Haiku and express love to the world, because the world needs more love. Thanks. Talk to you later. Love Haiku by Olivia Tatara.